How does media law define a journalist? In today's fast-paced world, the role of a journalist is more important than ever. With the rise of misinformation, many are asking, how does media law define a journalist? This question is trending as people seek clarity on who qualifies as a journalist and what protections they have. Media law does not provide a single definition of a journalist. Instead, definitions can differ based on location and legal context. Generally, a journalist is someone who gathers, assesses, creates, and presents news or information to the public. This includes traditional reporters, editors, and correspondents from newspapers, television, radio, and digital media outlets. Legal protections for journalists often hinge on their role in delivering independent news coverage that serves the public interest. These protections may involve rights related to freedom of expression, access to information, and safeguards against censorship or retaliation. However, media law distinguishes journalists from other content creators by stressing the need for ethical standards, fact verification, and responsible reporting. For instance, some legal frameworks requiring journalists to show they work for established media organizations or meet specific professional criteria to qualify for protections under press freedom laws. This separation aims to distinguish professional journalism from informal content creation or opinion sharing, which may lack the same legal protections or ethical responsibilities. Recently, discussions by the Commonwealth Journalists Association have highlighted the role of journalists in supporting free and honest journalism. This is vital for informing the public without fear or bias. Such discussions emphasize the importance of accountability and independence in defining who qualifies as a journalist under media law. In essence, media law typically defines a journalist as a professional engaged in gathering and sharing news and information. Legal recognition often ties to their adherence to journalistic standards and their role in serving the public's right to know. As the media landscape evolves, understanding these definitions and protections remains crucial for both journalists and the public they serve.